Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I clean my boys' copper sink, and I'm going to share the bathroom and laundry room too. Two things. It's almost virtually impossible to get a camera in here in this small space on a really wide tripod. So you take that combined with lights that are really hot, especially that one. I finally turned it off because it was so freaking hot. I was sweating to death. It's hard to film. So I apologize. So with those two things considered, it's hard to film. So I did not film like me cleaning up the laundry area, which I'll take you guys over there in a minute and show things more closely because I updated a few little things. But here is the gorgeous polished sink, and I'm obsessed with that Barkeeper's Friend. It works so good on copper sinks. I have noticed though that the hard water buildup right here sucks. So if you guys have a trick for hard water on like this brown bronzy metal or material, please let me know. I haven't tried like baking soda or vinegar or lemon or anything like that, but we have hard water and it sucks. It ruins everything. Hard water sucks and it ruins everything, and we have hard water. So there's a bench for the little boys. There's a basket that fits perfectly underneath here. You just slide it out, and I have rolled towels in there for the boys because this is their bathroom. And I will link to the full bathroom laundry room makeover in my description box. And I absolutely love that glass cleaner from the dollar store. It works beautifully. The man and the woman bathroom signs, they're just velcroed on, and I got them from Michael's. That cute sign is from Queen Bee Home. I can leave her down in the description box. She's on Instagram. I love this mirror that I thrifted. It was black, but I chalk painted it and then distressed it. And then this whole piece sink with the legs is a DIY when we remodeled the bathroom, and I will link that down below again, that full video. Some laundry in there I could fold, but to be continued. So I shared that little gray laundry room container with a lid on Instagram stories, and I need to get some of that Oxy powder scoop stuff to put in there. I actually have the scoop in there, but I love to use that as, like, you know, a boost to your laundry. So it's empty right now. I did seal the laundry room sign with a poly acrylic, because I was noticing with the shower and the humidity and the heat in here, I was noticing drip marks, and it was like stained drip marks from the wood stain. So I cleaned it and sealed it. So now it has like a sheen, glossy sheen to it, you can see, which I don't care because it's not doing that anymore with the stained drips. So other than doing that to the sign and the metal laundry room bucket, the only thing that's different, I don't think this is in the makeover, but I painted this black, matte black, to tie in some of the black accents. And then this may be new too, but I thrifted this little stool that holds our laundry soap. I have an antique washboard right here, and it's glass. So I want to remove this basket and do 3 antique washboards to fill in this big gap. Normally I have the towels going upright and I have 3 of them, but all the white ones aren't all clean. I just had one, so I just rolled it in there. Anyway, I really wanted to do this video so you guys can see how well the Barkeeper's Friend works on copper, and just see like the before and after, because a ton of you guys love to watch me clean the copper sink on Instagram stories. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do a YouTube video because it's the bomb, y'all. It's the bomb. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video today. My next few videos will be fall and Halloween, so maybe fall DIYs. I have a few things in mind, and then my Halloween tree and my Halloween decor. So stay tuned for those videos. And thank you guys again so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and or subscribe. If you do subscribe, please hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys again in the next one. Bye, love ya.